I got some bad exhaust leaks coming from the manifolds. And it's because I got some broken bolts down here. If I can get that angle. Should be up there. Right there's a broken one. So I got the manifold gasket out. You can see where I had a pretty heavy exhaust leak right here from those two bolts. There's two nut bolts being broken off. It's just studs left in the block. So it's just shooting out of there. This stud was also broken. Looks like I got a little exhaust leak on the end as well. So I got the manifold pulled off the block, the heads as best I could with a ratchet strap running down to my A-arm. So now I gotta find a way to get a nut on these studs, weld them up, see if I can turn that out. See what happens here. So we got a little nut. This will be just enough to fit over this stud down here. That looks a little bit better there. Let's try this again. Probably should let it cool for a second, but I'm impatient. Oh, there it goes. She's spinning. Slowly, she's spinning. There she goes. There you have it. As a custom. Phew. See if that does it. Come on now. There she is. Alright, got it running. Just cooking off all the penetrating oil on there. But no more exhaust leaks. So I got all new bolts in here. There you go.